Hello friends and welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. With the holidays coming, it just wouldn't be Christmas here at the farm without my granny's signature punch. And I have a special guest today, my mom, and we're going to make it together, so stay tuned. For over 145 years, the heart of my family's farmhouse has been the kitchen. It's where stories, food, and traditions have been passed down through generations. Join me as we create new memories, one dish at a time. Welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Welcome friends, and today we're going to be making Granny's signature punch. It just wouldn't be Christmas here at the farm without it. We even have her punch bowl and her special silver ladle that we always used every Christmas. And this recipe's been in the family for quite a few years now. My grandma's good friend Helen Coe gave her this recipe over 50 years ago, I would say. Early 1970s?
It would have been.
All right. So what we're going to do is, this is a double batch, and since we have a small punch bowl, we're going to be only using half of the liquid products. Now, if you have a large punch bowl, this will be enough for it. So to start out, we have 46 ounces of pineapple juice and 46 ounces of orange juice. And we also have some simple syrup here. And simple syrup is very simple. I take a quart jar, fill it halfway with granulated sugar, lukewarm water to fill the rest, stir it and let it dissolve good, and then refrigerate it. And you can make your simple syrup up to a week in advance. And that's the easiest way. So Mom, if you would like to go ahead and give that a quick stir, we are going to be adding that to our punch bowl. And this is such an easy recipe and it's so delicious. And the simple syrup really cuts that little bit of bitterness that the pineapple juice has. So that's looking great. That's looking good. Boy, it looks delicious, doesn't it? All right, that should be good. And then we're going to add half of our simple syrup to the punch bowl. And then we're going to add about half of a liter of ginger ale. And we want to make sure and leave plenty of room for sherbet. And the ginger ale makes it so good. And then I'm going to just give this a quick stir. And then we will be adding our sherbet next. All right, folks, well, we're back now, and we have the base of our punch here in the bowl. And I meant to tell you earlier, if you want to use pulp-free orange juice, you can, but I sort of like the pulp because I think it makes it look a little bit more like it's fresh squeezed. So now we're going to add our 2 quarts of sherbet. Now, with my grandma's punch, we want to make sure and use a lemon, lime, and orange variety. So make sure that's really important that you get that particular kind for this punch. So we're going to go ahead and put this in, and you can usually make your punch, probably about 20 minutes or so, wouldn't you say, before your guests arrive. And we'll go ahead and I don't think you can ever get too much punch too much sherbet in the punch. So we're going to let that sort of melt down there a little bit. And this punch is so good. It's one of the best I've ever had. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to break this up just a little bit, maybe. It'll melt down as it sets a little bit. So let's go ahead and add our garnish. We've got some beautiful oranges, lemons, and limes. And we're going to add just a few of those on the top of the punch. And some of them will float, and it really just adds some really pretty color to it. Add some lemons as well. And we're going to put a few limes on there to top it off. And then, since it's Christmas, we have some red, edible, organic rose petals. And we'll sprinkle those over the top, a few of them. And I think with that red and with the holidays, it looks really nice. So, don't you think that looks good?
It looks scrumptious.
All right. So we're going to try this here in just a second. Hello friends, I'm here to tell you some exciting news. Adam's Farmhouse cookbook is now out in a new hardbound format, and it comes with a beautiful matching dust jacket. And these are printed through BookBaby. So click on the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one of my beautiful books. These are great for gifts any time of the year. So make sure and follow us on our Facebook page and watch us on our YouTube channel, Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. And don't forget, like and subscribe. All right, now we've got our finished punch, and I think we need to try it now. So this punch bowl was my grandma's, and you said that, who was it?
Given to my mom and dad at their wedding in 1949 by my grandma Nowry and my Aunt Irene.
So that would have been my great-grandmother and my great aunt. And as the sherbet melts, I always like to put a little bit in there, but we'll try it just as this. So look at that, a beautiful little glass of punch. And it tastes just like I remembered.
It's always good.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.